If you are looking for the best dog toys, then this video is for you. Now let me show you the best 5 dog toys. Number 1. Outward Hound Hide-A-Squirrel and Puzzle Plush Squeaking Toys for Dogs by Outward Hound. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 2. Pacific Pups Products supporting PacificPuppersCo.com Dog Rope Toys for Aggressive Chewers set of 11 nearly indestructible dog toys bonus Giraffe Rope Toy benefits non-profit dog rescue by Pacific Pups Products supporting PacificPuppersCo.com. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 3. Chuckit, Indoor Bulldog Toy by Chuckit. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 4. Allstar Innovations Wobble Giggle Ball Dog Toy, as seen on TV by Allstar Innovations. Please check the description to buy the product. Number 5. oneisall Dog Toys for Aggressive Chewers, Indestructible Pet Chew Toys Bone for Puppy Dogs by oneisall. Please check the description to buy the product. Thanks for watching. For more deals and updates, subscribe our channel.